Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to change the refresh rate on your Samsung Smart TV, or in other words, how to better the display on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, keep in mind, Samsung Smart TVs have two refresh rate options, one at 60 Hz and one at 120 Hz, or in other words, at 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second. Now, as you can tell, 120 frames per second is much better and provides more fluid display as compared to 60 Hz or 60 frames per second. Now, in order to change that, firstly, you're going to have to go into settings. Now to do that, you're going to have to find the home button on your Samsung TV remote. Soon as you click that, on the bottom, you're going to see an array of options. Over there, you have to find settings. Once you do that, go ahead, click on picture, then expert settings, and then auto motion plus settings. Once you click on auto motion plus settings, you should see a display like this. Now here you can go ahead and adjust the blur reduction, judder reduction, and the LED clear motion. These three settings combined will go ahead and better the display on your Samsung Smart TV. Thank you for watching.